Hi YouTube. Today I'm just going to show you my computer that I've been doing most of my videos on, and I'll be just reviewing it, telling you if it's any good, rating it and all that, just so if you're thinking to get the device, you might want to get it. Right, first, this computer is a Pac-Bell. See there, it's Pac-Bell. As all you geeks know, the Pac-Bell in brilliant make, but it's a notebook. It's a small one, nice to carry about. Yeah, it has 1 gig of RAM. It's 1 gig of RAM, I think it has 109.95 gigahertz. But mine's upgraded, so it's a bit different. It's a Windows 7 starter. So yeah, it's a Windows 7 starter. It's an SMP. It's an SMP&C. It has Odoo, ASA Group. Yeah, so if it's Windows 7, it has Microsoft on. Yeah, it's light. Yeah, so we've looked at all the computer at the bottom. It has a lock switch, on, off, so you can pull it out. Normally I lock it, so because if you pull that out, it will turn it off. So put it back in, lock it. So look at the inside. That's a nice keyboard, nice mouse. So the on button. That's loading up, we'll have a look at the sides. It has a bolt, 2 bolts there, charge. And it has a bolt there, and a thing there, and a thing, speaker, and a thing. Yeah, so it takes a while to load up. It is still a nice computer. Takes a while though. So yeah. When you come up